Good girl. Now when I pass her off to Dad, instead of just taking her like this and handing her to him, I'm just gonna take her through the water a little bit. Good girl. And we're gonna again just go nice across the water to Daddy. Woo! So we've done getting our face wet, blowing our bubbles. The third skill we're gonna work on is floating on our front. Okay, so clearly the kids are not gonna be floating on their front by themselves. We're not gonna take them and stick them on top of the water. But what we are gonna do, we'll see if Talia will go to me. Mama's in the water, so maybe not. Again, I'm gonna hold her right underneath the armpits, and I have her legs behind her. This is basically working on our front float. We'll turn toward Mom. There you go. There you go. She's doing her little kicks too. Oh, you're so happy to see her. So we just hold them right with your hands underneath the armpits. Hi, Reese. Oh, you just go to anyone, don't you? You just go to anyone. And we just have her, what we're doing is just keeping them horizontal on top of the water. Again, we're not doing the floaty thing where they're just sitting here bobbing up and down with their head up. Huh. And if they're like this as well, if you're just kind of hanging out, they're gonna get really cold too. So we wanna keep them in, keep their shoulders down. Good girl. And then just start to bring them through the water. So go ahead and take Talia. Hands underneath the armpits, and we're just gonna bring her through the water. This is a really good workout for them. There's a hydrostatic pressure in the water that's constantly putting a little bit of pressure on them. So this is like a workout for them going through the water. So you may notice that your kids get really tired after they swim.
They take good naps.
They take great naps. We just bring them through. Good. We're gonna go to skill number 4. Skill number 4 is kicking on your front. So to kick on our front, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring them again right in front of us with our hands underneath their armpits, but we're gonna bring them up, sort of onto our chest. So kind of stick your chest out and bring them up. Take your hands and put them all the way under their legs, perfect. And we're gonna kick, kick, kick. So they're probably gonna be kicking all over the place. Take your hands, put your thumbs over their knees, and practice nice straight kickers, walking backwards. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Walk that backwards for you, so she's going forward. Perfect. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Good. Good. Oh, are you taking a nap? So they get in these really funky positions. So your job basically is to keep them safe and alive while we're doing this. Good job. And you want to have a move too. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick.
It's not crawling.
Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. Good job. Hey, Vinny, did you see our kickers? Look at this. Vinny, look. Kick, 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 kick. Do you kick in the bathtub?
He does.
Do you kick in the bathtub? So what we're doing is some muscle memory here. Again, their legs are just kind of going all over the place. That's fine. They're just moving through the water, and any of that movement's really healthy for them. But you want to take your hands and straighten them out a little bit and work on that muscle memory. So kick, 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 kick. All right. Skill number 5 is our big arms. So we're not going to be doing, Michael Phelps freestyle. Again, we're not training for the Olympics right now. We're just creating a healthy relationship with our kids. So what we're going to do is use some toys. Vinny, we're going to use toys. Yeah, just a little toy. That's all you really need. The ones that go in the bath are great because you can fill them with water. Lots of fun. So we're going to take our toy. It's going to be our incentive. Now, to start doing our arms, I'm going to have you guys sit on the step over here. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to sit right here. Hi. You're so cute. You're just so cute. This is the first time I've met her. Hi. So we're gonna take this. I know you're just gonna hate it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my hands behind hers and I'm gonna do some big pulls with her arms. So we're doing some muscle memory here. Woo! Good girl. Good, so let's have you come over with Thalia. I guess I'll give her back to you. I guess I'll give her back, huh? Oh, she's so good. You're so good. You're so good. Hi. So go ahead and have a seat. There's a step right there. Good. So I'm going to hold these out in front of you. Turn them around. Perfect. Sit them up on your knee. Hands behind there. So we're going to do our big arms. We're going to go row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Good job. Now we're going to take the toys. We're going to throw them. And we're going to go get them. So in order to do that, again, I'm going to take her. I'm going to put my hands right under here and off to the side. Put her legs back. Oh, see? We're going to go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Mama. Go get it. I'm going to turn it out so I can do it this way. We'll do it toward Dad. So we can do a few different things. We can stop on the knee. Do our arms. Just like Thalia's going to do. Legs back. Good job. Oh, you've got some kickers in there too. She's a one-handed swimmer.
Right.
Oh, you're a one-handed swimmer. She's kicking too. Good job. Get it.
You got it. Oh.
Get it.
Humble.
Fail. Yay! Right to the mouth. Of course. Dad, you can continue. That was awesome. Skill number 6 is rolling from your back to your front and your front to your back. So this is a really important skill, especially when they get older, to be able to roll on their back for safety. So I'm gonna take her, I'm gonna start like this. I'm just gonna bring her a little bit backwards and forward. Backwards and forward. Backwards and forward. Oh, I think she likes it. Good. So we're also going to do this way. We're going to have her just a little, I'm not doing a full back float. We're going to do that next. I just kind of have her back a little bit. So I'm going to go from her back to her front. So you notice I have her out in front of me. Woo! Woo! Good job. Beautiful. Go ahead and practice. When you're doing this, you just, again, want to be careful that you're not submerging them or sticking their face in or whatever it is. It's okay if they do, but again, we want to keep checking that water level. Ha! Ha! I'm stealing her. Sorry. You can't put her in the water near me and think that I'm not going to. So we go from our back to our front. And our back. Good job. And then we want to do this way. We go back to front. So see, she almost sticks her face right in. Oh, Vinny, yay!